मिरामार दर्यावेळेर ह्या नदी बेकायदेशीर पद्धतीन बोटिंग व्यवसाय चालू आशिल्लो। जायत्या पर्यटकांनी कागाळी केले उपरांत आमी मिरामार दर्यावेळेर पर्यटन काउंटर घालो, पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे सांगता। उच्च न्यायालयाच्या आदेशा प्रमाण आमी थंय क्यू सिस्टम घाल्ली आसा, हाचो तांकांच फायदो जातलो अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा।
Miramar operations were happening in a zone which was denoted, they were not notified. So activities under tourism were illegal. So when I've taken the department also, when there were complaints coming that guides and touts are playing a big role and spoiling this, tourists were complaining. We went to see and we found that there were boats that were operational and they were not in a notified zone, neither with our permissions. So we told them, आमच्याच गोंयकार भाव आशिल्ले, and we told them we will notify the zone and ensure that as per High Court compliance जे आसा, we need to put the queue system. We will put the queue system and ensure a business runs smoothly. तेच करपाक आमी घेतला. तातूंत कोणे वयर सकयल कोण आसतात, I think they always try to disrupt some things which are legal and proper in the system. Miramar has to come in a system if they have to operate well. Na zalar कायद्यानुसार we will have to act against all this. I think if to help them, that is the way. I have heard that some people want to participate, two people do not want to participate. It is up to them, but they don't have a choice because the jail counter which is put is a part of the government thing to assist them. आम्ही तातूंत आमच्या सरकाराक काय येना. सरकार is only abiding by the High Court, where queue system has to be followed, for which jail has the operative part, which we are asking them to do. That is all. Prashna as a notified counter, J counter thing is to get these activities which are there. Irregular activities have to stop. And we have very clearly mentioning it in every segment, whether it is water sports or whether it is hawkers or anybody on the things which are illegal, promulgation करून specially illegal tout जे आसा ताचेर action घेवपाक start केलें.